The best college was the UP. Yes, University of the Philippines.
We about to check out Manila. Hopefully I can talk to a few people, show you around, stroll the town a little bit. And yeah, man, we out here in Southeast Asia, Philippines. It's very busy, very crowded, sweaty. It's hot as hell. And Manila, it's always busy. You know what I mean? Always busy. For more than 333 years, around that ballpark, this city called Manila became the center of Spanish rule in the Pacific. After the Spaniards left, they would make a deal with the Americans. This part of the world was sold to the Americans. I don't think they had any kind of war. If you had to read the manuscript, I don't think they had a war. It was sold to the Americans about the Spaniards. They make it look like a scrimmage. Oh, we're gonna, you know, thinking the people here were not aware. They made it look like a scrimmage, and then they give Manila and other parts of the Philippines over to the Americans in 1898. Spain came and Spain dominated for a while. Filipinos did not just sit by and allow that to happen. They fought severely. Some rebellions were crushed, but the Filipinos endure. The Filipinos have a strong spirit. They're not just kind, but they're not people you walk over. And that's why I admire the Philippines, because they're lenient, they're open-minded, educated, friendly, but you can't just walk over them. You know what I mean? So they fought the Spaniards for their rights, and when the Spaniards left, the Spaniards gave the country over to the Americans. The Americans came, guess what? Same thing. They're not backing down. And these are the stories that people don't like to talk about the Philippines, right? Because these people's spirit is remarkable, resilient. And I think every YouTuber should know that part of the Philippine story before coming out here to the Philippines. Because looking around, you see all these beauty and stuff like that, but you also have to see strength in the Filipino spirit, that it will not accept colonialism again or any form of domination. And that is why I admired the Filipino people, their spirit, and love their history. And that's why Philippines is my second home. Love this place. Philippines come alive. It's almost, I think it's getting known here, and people getting off work. This is Manila, hot, sweaty. A lot of people everywhere getting off work, and this is Manila. This is the side of the Philippines you don't see usually. But this is Manila, very basic city, just like anywhere else. Folks just got off work. Very interesting. You know what I mean? It's for these guys works construction for these tall buildings. Excuse my language. So they just got off work. You know what I mean? It gets busy, boy. At 4, city get busy. A lot of people get off work at 4. Then when the sun downs, especially on the weekend, the party starts. You know what I mean? This is Makati, one of the most developed areas here in Manila. It's a nice area, very nice area. I'll keep walking around and talk to a few people. Let's show you around. This is Philippines capital, Manila. If someone wants to experience the real Philippines, where should they go besides Manila?
Well, Philippines has over 7,200 plus islands. So I believe that um, foreigners can visit other islands that is in the Luzon or Visayas like Palawan or other islands. I think other than Manila, the foreigners can visit other places like other islands or the beaches around the Philippines as it is known for that. And we can also visit the mountains and other
Which mountain?
which mountains like the Chocolate Hills, the um, Mount Mayon, like
Mateo.
Vulcan Mayon.
So what's
Yeah,
so special about Manila? Why do people come here?
the money since
The money.
they
They don't have money in the province?
it's because of the provincial rate. The normal wages of the Filipinos are more lower in the province than in the Metro Manila.
I got one more question. What makes Manila special to you?
It is special since I live here. The culture that I grow up in.
What's the best school? If let's say someone want to move to Manila, right, from America, what's the best school to send your kids to?
I think
Best college.
the best college was the UP.
UP.
Yes, University of the Philippines. As it is, well, it is one of the colleges that it is hard to get into. Yeah.
It's hard to get in?
Yes.
Is it rich school? Rich?
What, sir?
Is it rich?
Some of the students are rich.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's the best school in the
Yes.
Wow. So, whenever you're out in Asia, there's a app called Grab. You get that Grab app, and your car should pull up to pick you up. You know, like you have Lyft, Uber, and other ride service. So you have a Grab in Asia. So I'm right now waiting for my Grab to get here and show you the nightlife out here in Manila. So my Grab should be here in a bit. So my Grab should be here in a bit. Guys in a Toyota. Rudy Ama Toyota. I'm guessing it's this car. What's his name? And also always check the person's name, okay? So Rudy Ahmad. Hello, Tito. Nah, Rudy. Nice to meet you, bro. All right, we're headed off.